Today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to rotate text and pages within a PDF document using IronPDF in .NET. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this little quick tutorial. We're going to learn how to manipulate and customize your PDF documents. First, make sure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. This is needed for the functionality that we're going to be using. And I've already installed this using the NuGet package manager, so we'll just move along. Go ahead and do so if you want to follow along. All right, so let's move to the program.cs file where I've written code. And we'll begin by importing the IronPDF and setting up the license key. So first, we'll instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer. And this object will be used to create and manipulate the PDF documents. Next, we'll set the input encoding to UTF-8 to ensure proper encoding when rendering HTML content. Here, we'll create a PDF using the HTML string. In this example, we'll use the WebKit transform CSS property to rotate the text within the HTML content. And then finally, we're going to save the PDF with the rotated text to a file name rotatedtext.pdf. Next, we'll move on to rotating pages in the PDF. To rotate pages within an existing PDF, open the PDF document using the PDF document.fromFile method. Rotate the first page to 90 degrees clockwise using the set page rotation method, and then save the resulting PDF as rotated page.pdf. If you need all the pages rotated in your PDF, use the set all page rotations method. So in this example, we rotate all the pages 180 degrees clockwise, and then we'll save the PDF with all the pages rotated to a file name rotatedpages.pdf. Okay, so let's run our project and wait for the processing to complete. There you go, the output is generated, so let's have a look. As expected, the text and pages are rotated perfectly in comparison to the PDF document. And rotating text and pages in the PDF obviously gives you more control and the ability to customize the appearance of your documents to better suit your needs. And that's it. You successfully learned how to rotate text and pages in a PDF using IronPDF in .NET. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. As always, we ask that you like and subscribe if you'd like some more help from us. And if you haven't tried out IronPDF yet, there's a link in the description below. Check it out.